In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a project private in Asana the easy way, whether you're a project manager or a team member. There are times when discretion is key, and you need to ensure that certain projects are only accessible to those who should have access. Asana, a popular project management tool, offers a straightforward method to ensure your project's privacy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Asana website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard, showcasing all your ongoing projects. Navigate to the specific project you wish to make private. This can typically be done by selecting the project from the side panel where all your projects are listed. Once you've accessed the desired project, look towards the upper right corner of your screen for the Share button. This button is key to changing your project's privacy settings, and it's designed to provide easy access to sharing and access management features. Click on the Share button to proceed. After clicking Share, you'll find yourself in the Sharing menu, which includes various options regarding who can see and interact with your project. Here you'll notice an option labeled Access Settings, which is typically accompanied by a drop-down arrow. Click on this drop-down to view the available access settings for your project. Within the access settings, you'll see several options that dictate the visibility of your project. Among these, you'll find an option labeled Private to Members. This is exactly what you're looking for if you want to restrict project access to only those individuals you choose to invite. Click on the Private to Members option. By selecting this setting, you're ensuring that only invited members will have the ability to access, view, and edit the project details. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted the privacy settings of your project in Asana. By taking these few simple steps, you can now rest assured that your sensitive project information remains secure and accessible only to those who have been granted permission. This option is particularly useful if you're dealing with confidential information or simply want to prevent any unnecessary distractions from affecting the team's focus. Remember, these settings can always be adjusted again if your project's access needs change in the future. So there you have it, an easy and efficient way to make a project private in Asana. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.